Hi guys, this is JD and you are watching JD's English Club, a place of English learner. So guys, today we'll be practicing some questions and answers in spoken English. Spoken English रे किसी questions and answers आज हम practice करिबा तार ओडिया meaning सहित. So before that ମୁଁ कहि रखे guys, this is our third part. आमे ऑलरेडी दुईटा पार्ट करि सारिछु. यदि आपण देखि नांती सो लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन रे दिया जाइछि, आपण जाई देखि नियंतु. लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. तुमे केते बेले छाडुछो? When are you leaving? When are you leaving? 10 मिनिट रे. In 10 minutes. In 10 minutes. केते बळे घटिला? When did it happen? When did it happen? बहुत समय आगरु. A long time ago. A long time ago. शेष थर पई तुमे तांको केते बळे देखिथिला? When did you see her last time? When did you see her last time? वास्तव रे मु तांको बहुत दिन हैला देखि नाही. Indeed, I haven't seen her for ages. Indeed, I haven't seen her for ages. तुमे साधारणतः केते बेले उठ? When do you usually get up? When do you usually get up? बहुत जल्दी. Very early. Very early. तुमे साधारणतः केते बेले सोइबा को जाओ? When do you usually go to bed? When do you usually go to bed? बहुत विलंब रे. Very late. Very late. केते बेले बस छाड़े? When does the bus leave? When does the bus leave? संध्या 7टा रे. At 7 p.m. At 7 p.m. तुमरा जन्मदिन केबे? When is your birthday? When is your birthday? 7 जुलाई रे. On the 7th of July. On the 7th of July. तुम केबे जन्म होइथिलो? When were you born? When were you born? मार्च 3 1975 रे. On the 3rd of March in 1975. On the 3rd of March in 1975. से केबे फेरिबे? When will she come back? When will she come back? 20 मिनिट रे. In 20 minutes. In 20 minutes. से माने केबे पहुंचबे? When will they arrive? When will they arrive? शीघ्र. Soon. Soon. तुमे केबे फेरिबो? When will you be back? When will you be back? आधा घंटा रे. In half an hour. In half an hour. तुमे केबे प्रस्तुत हेबो? When will you be ready? When will you be ready? 5 मिनिट रे. In 5 minutes. In 5 minutes. तुम केते बेले खाली हेबो? When will you get free? When will you get free? 5 मिनिट रे. In 5 minutes. In 5 minutes. ସେମାନେ କେଉଁଠି? Where are they? Where are they? ଗୋଟେ traffic jam रे. In a traffic jam. In a traffic jam. ତୁମେ କୁଆଡ଼େ ଯାଉଛ? Where are you going? Where are you going? ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ व्यापार मीटिंग को जाऊची. I am going to a business meeting. I am going to a business meeting. तुम केउठी इंग्रजी शिखिथिलो? Where did you learn English? Where did you learn English? विद्यालय रे. At school. At school. तुमे केउ आडे जिबाकू चाहुछ? Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go? आसो ए भोजी को जिबा. Let's go to this party. Let's go to this party. आपनक पत्नी केउठी काम करछंती? आपनक पत्नी केउठी काम करछंती? Where does your wife work? Where does your wife work? से घरु काम करंती. She works from home. She works from home. मो जैकेट केउठी? Where is my jacket? Where is my jacket? यह सेठी अछि. It's over there. It's over there. तुमे केउठी जन्म होइथिलो? Where were you born? Where were you born? मु भारत रे जन्म होइथिली. I was born in India. I was born in India. आपण केउठी को जिबाकू चाहिबे? Where would you like to go? Where would you like to go? सिटी सेंटर रा गोटे स्थान को जिबाकू चाहिबी. I'd like to visit one place in the city center. I would like to visit one place in the city center. किए देबो? Who will pay? Who will pay? ए मोर पाली. It's my turn. It's my turn. तुम्हारा कहीं केते विलंब? Why are you so late? Why are you so late? मु गोटे ट्रैफिक जैम रे फसी जाइथिली. I was held up in a traffic jam. I was held up in a traffic jam. तुमे यह करिबो कि? Will you do it? Will you do it? मु संपूर्ण सुनिश्चित नुहे. I'm not quite sure. I'm not quite sure. That's it guys. I hope ये conversation रो आपन किसी सिखिबा को मिलिथिबो. ए हमर क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर्स जहार कन्वर्सेशन हैला आपन ताको डेली प्रैक्टिस करंतु और जहां भी किसी डाउट रहउची कोनोसी मीनिंग हो किबा कोनोसी सेंटेंस रो ग्रामेटिकल रूल हो सब मते कमेंट सेक्शन लिखि जणेबे. so I would definitely try to make you more clear about that. Thank you for watching and take care.